In your Globe Smart Motion Security Light box, you will find the Smart Motion Security Light, mounting hardware, and your instruction sheet. Download the Globe Suite app. Go to the App Store or Google Play and search for Globe Suite. Download the app, open it, and follow the on-screen instructions to log in or register. If prompted, allow Globe Suite to send notifications to your smartphone or tablet. To install your smart device, you will need silicone sealant and a Phillips head screwdriver. The security light is suitable for both wall and eave mount locations. Proceed with the method that best suits your needs. Unscrew the pre-installed mounting bolt from the fixture to release the backplate. From the electrical panel, turn off the power and consult a qualified electrician as needed. Using the included mounting screws, secure the mounting bracket to the junction box. Connect the junction box's wires to the fixture wires using the easy connectors, black to black and white to white. Once connected, tuck the wires back into the junction box. Ensure the plate is facing up. Secure the back plate to the mounting bracket using the mounting bolt from the included hardware. Then, insert the silicone plug to shield the mounting bolt. Mount your fixture to the back plate using the previously removed mounting bolt. Tighten to secure. Adjust the motion sensor head as needed. To ensure weatherproofing, caulk around the entire base with silicone sealant. Once installed, turn the power back on from the electrical panel. Turn the switch on. The motion sensor should start blinking automatically. If it does not, you can manually put it into pairing mode. Hold down the reset button on the sensor head for 15 seconds. Once the motion sensor is blinking rapidly, this means your smart device is in pairing mode and is ready to connect. To connect to your smart device, ensure you are connected to a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network and that your Bluetooth is turned on. In the Globe Suite app, choose Add Device or tap the plus sign in the top right-hand corner of the screen. Tap Add Device. Device discovery launches automatically on the pairing screen. Once your smart product appears, tap Add. On the next screen, tap the plus button on the device card. If prompted, enter your Wi-Fi name and password. Tap Next. Wait a few moments for the device to connect. When the green check mark appears next to your device, this means your device has been successfully added. Tap Done. You can now control your smart device directly from the Globe Suite app. On the Globe Suite home screen, select the Smart Floodlight to access its controls. Near the top of your screen, you can determine the light's max brightness. Tap on your desired setting. You can also control the brightness using the physical dial on your fixture. To control how your light will behave to motion, adjust the lights mode. Choose On if you want your light to stay on, regardless of motion being detected. The light will stay on for 5.5 hours before reverting back to auto. To keep your light off regardless of motion, choose Off. The light will stay off for 5.5 hours before reverting back to auto. By selecting Auto, your security light will only turn on when motion is detected, and will then turn off after a predetermined amount of time. In this setting, you will receive notifications when motion is detected. Tap View History to access the sensor activity. Tap the back button to return to the device's main screen. In the top right-hand corner, tap the gear icon to access the device settings. Choose Motion Sensor Sensitivity, then select the sensitivity that best suits your home. The higher the sensitivity, the further the motion sensor can sense motion. Tap the back button to return to the device settings. Choose On Time. To customize how long your light will stay on after motion is detected, select between 1, 5, and 20 minutes. Tap the back button to return to the device settings. Select Motion Bright to explore more dynamic lighting options. With Motion Bright, your fixture remains dimly lit at 30% brightness until motion is detected, at which point your fixture will go to max brightness to ensure your safety and security. Choose Dusk to Dawn to enable the Motion Bright all night. Choose 6 hours to only utilize Motion Bright for the first 6 hours after dark. If you never want your security light to be dimly lit between motion activity, choose Off to disable the Motion Bright feature. Tap the back button to return to the device settings main panel. You can also control all these settings using the physical dials on your fixture. Tap the back button to return to the device's main screen. To explore automatic routines, Choose Routine at the bottom of your screen. Select Light Routines to create automatic schedules for your device. Tap Create a custom schedule. Customize your new routine and tap Save. At any time, disable your routine using the slider. Tap the back button to return to the main routines panel. To create automatic routines based on weather, location, or links to other devices, explore Smart Routines and create your personalized smart scene. Connect your smart light with a voice assistant and control your device even when you don't have your phone or tablet. Hey Google, Amazon Alexa, and SmartThings can be connected directly through your Globe Suite profile, while Siri commands are created within Smart Scenes. To pair your device, go to your profile. Then select the voice assistant you would like to link your device to and connect your account to the Globe Suite app. Discover all these features and more with Globe Suite and explore the rest of the smart home collection. Globe, smart home made easy.